Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video. If you run an online store and you feel like you should be making more sales, even though you have a good product, then stay with me until the end. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you some of the most common mistakes we find when analyzing e-commerce stores. And more importantly, how to fix them. Now, let me ask you a simple question. Are you getting traffic but not enough sales? Or maybe you're spending money on advertising without really knowing what's actually generating revenue? If that's the case, you're definitely not alone. Every single week, we analyze online stores across different industries: fashion, home decor, supplements, luxury products, B2B, subscriptions, and we keep seeing the same issues over and over again. Websites that load too slowly, advertising campaigns that target the wrong audience, poor conversion tracking, or strategies that simply don't match today's market anymore. And by the way, if you'd like an external opinion on your store, we offer a free 15-minute coffee break. A short conversation where we look at your situation, identify opportunities, and give you honest feedbacks. And you'll find the link below this video. For those who don't know us yet, we've been working in digital marketing for more than 25 years. We've helped businesses in over 40 countries, and we managed millions of dollars in advertising spend. But honestly, this video isn't about us. It's about your business, because behind almost every e-commerce store that isn't growing, there are usually a few specific bottlenecks. And once those bottlenecks are removed, the results can change surprisingly fast. Let me give you an example. Not long ago, we analyzed an e-commerce store with great products, professional photography, competitive pricing, and a website that looked perfectly fine at first glance. But sales were disappointing. After reviewing the account, we found three major problems. The website was too slow, their ads were reaching the wrong people, and nobody knew which campaign were actually generating sales. We restructured the advertising strategy, improved website speed, fixed conversion tracking, optimized the customer journey. A few months later, sales had increased by more than 60% without significantly increasing the advertising budget. The product didn't change, the strategy did. And that's exactly what this channel is about. How to attract better customers, how to convert more visitors into buyers, how to measure what is really working, and how to build sustainable growth for your e-commerce business. So thank you again for watching. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like us to review your specific situation, book your 15-minute coffee break using the link below in the description. I look forward to speaking with you soon. See you in the next video.